I'm Bruce Gardiner, and I'm sitting in the lounge room at 73 Rock Abbey Road. I have a small block out between Uralla and Walker where we trade cattle, and where we have been running an experimental farm for the last 11 years, looking at various aspects of managing grazing landscapes. What we've found is that soil nutrition or plant nutrition is far more important than rainfall in determining how effectively grazing systems work, and that it's the quality of feed that goes down an animal's throat that determines its performance far more so than genetics. Drought, or how people cope with drought, is a personal decision-making process, but where people end up in a drought is the result of the choices that they make. People make good choices about managing droughts when they have a plan in place, where they understand the triggers that they need to utilise to make good decisions about drought, and where they act promptly and proactively to avoid the worst impacts of drought. The main thing that people need to take into consideration is the condition of their landscape. Once the amount of pasture on their landscape starts to fall below known minimum levels, then people should start to think about destocking. And that we use rolling rainfall to determine how many stock we should be running, but I don't expect other people to do that. We look at the amount of pasture we have in front of us to determine whether we should be carrying stock or not. If we get caught short, which we did this year, which I'll freely admit, then we feed for production so that we can get the stock off the place as quickly as possible.